guys. If you hear some other sound, it's my twin sister cutting paper for art and craft. Okay, now let's start the video. Welcome back to Scratch Tutorials. Today I'm telling how to use my blocks in Scratch. As you can see right here. Now what are my blocks? The things these pinkish blocks are called my blocks. That means the blocks that we create. So it makes the code smaller. Now for example, you have this and this, and plus as you can see my sister is cutting paper like you can hear. Okay, now as you can see right here I'm demonstrating. Now if you have this and then you say key space pressed, key this is pressed, we can say that. First let me just do it. Okay, key up arrow, key down arrow, key left arrow and key right arrow. And then as you saw in the last tutorial, I did this so you can check out the last tutorial, but now for demonstrating I'm doing this. So now you have made this and you want to make the code smaller, like only 3 blocks. Now these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 blocks. Now if you want to make this only 3 blocks, what would you do? You would go to my blocks. After watching this tutorial you would go and make a block. Now name the block. I'll name it movement. You can name it whatever you want. Add an input if you want. I'll add 2. One is X and one is Y. Now we can say run without screen refresh and say OK. Now you have this and let's say now we'll put this inside this. We can make this Y and this Y, then this X and this as well X. Now if we take it here, we can see that this is there. But now the my block is not working. Sorry, I did it wrong. The my block is wrong. I'm going to delete it. Don't worry. Okay, I'll delete the my block itself. Okay, I'll make a block. It's called movement. You can name it whatever you want again. And now I'll make 4 inputs. I'll click here. Oh, okay, I'll click here and say left X. Where is X? X. Then here right X. Then right here up Y. Then here down Y. Okay, these are this. Now run without screen refresh and here we go. Now we can put them wherever you want. Take this. Left X will be here. Right X will be here according to the key. Up Y will be here since it's up arrow and down Y will be here since it's down arrow. Now we can take this. You can see the value. This is left X. Let's say minus 10. Then this is right X. So let's 10. Say 10. This is up Y 10 and this is down Y. So let's say minus 10. Okay. Now here we have it 3 blocks only. Here it's not, but here we have it 3 blocks. Does it work? Yes, it does. Look. Since even if you did this thing, it works. It's like that. Even you can change the costume, it works. Nothing is there. There are no limits to do. This is what you can do anything in the costume. Nothing will happen to it. I'll do a circle, another circle, and another circle. Let me just do this. Okay, let's move this. We are going to move this backward. Okay, we're going to delete scratches. Cat. Deleted everything. Let's make this pink. This white. This green. Okay, we will do that. Then here we might as well, here we will make this a little darker so that we can see it. And we have this dango thingy. Let's make this bright. Okay, it's a bit orange as well. And this one, let's move it to right here. Okay, we can group this. We have this now. Even if you change the costume, nothing would happen. Okay, I do not like this costume. I'm going to choose a costume. What about, let's see, Ben. Let's choose Ben. And here we have it. Nothing happened. Even if you want to make it 4 blocks, I would make it like this. 0, 0. I would do that 4 blocks. Yeah, it works. Okay. This is how to use my blocks in this. And plus, not only this, you can do anything. If you want to rotate the sprite when you're doing, you can do that. Now let's say you want to rotate with these 2 keys. Remove these all. Then take these keys. Right arrow and left arrow. Now left X is how much you turn here. And right X as well. So now we'll say it will be 3. Then here also it should be 3. Now look. It works. Now if you're facing that way, you want to go that way as well. It will do as well. By doing this. You can move 10 steps blocks and put these, and you can say that point in direction as well. Then you have a whole game like this. And plus we should do this. Now we can select everything here and rotate it. There. We should rotate it more. Good. Here we can say the whole this way, and we have this guy. When you do this, he moves forward, and you do this, moves forward. It's like that. But I do not like this one as well, since it's like that game. Now you can do this, rotate it this way, or you can only choose the right arrow, this right only. Okay, this works. This This is great, right? Okay, you can do this as well as 10. Nice. Oh, and this should be minus 3. 3 since it should go backwards, right? Look at this, it works. Works. Nice. Now I can say that this can be 5. This can be 5. This can be 10. Or it can be like 8. Here it can be minus 8. Anything you can change the values. You can remix this project after I share it. You can do anything. This is how you use my blocks. You can put anything. You can put inputs. If you put booleans, it will become like these things. Now this is the input usage. Now let's try another one. Let's choose, let's see, we'll say it's a chick. Fine. Now we do not need this and this. Now we can show what is a boolean. So now we can say that when flag clicked, forever, first you take this, go to X, Y, press 0 here, 0 here, up. Now and then, yeah, there, and here my block, make a block. The block name will be like something like, I'm using boolean, so boolean time I'll say. You can type anything you want. I'll say boolean time. Here you go, boolean. The boolean's name could be move. You can also name anything you want. Yeah. Okay, boolean time. And if you see in that label, it will become one of these things. So it's not that useful. Okay, boolean time. We said move. Okay, now we'll say move 10 steps. Okay, that's it. And then if no, we'll say like this only. Let's put it into this. We have all of this right here. Let's remove that, remove that, remove that, and that. Remove, and there we go. You can say up arrow done. Yeah. And then we can also say ask what's it. Ask question. What value is correct? No, we'll say that write 50. Let's say write. Why does this happen? Why? Write 50. Okay, we said write, it will tell write 50. Then we'll say here. Now we have write 50. Now here we'll say those change y by blocks and change x by blocks here. This should be minus 10. And this shall be 10 and this shall be minus 10. Okay, now we have this right here. Now we have ask write 50. Let's say now here we'll go to my blocks, take boolean time. Look, this is a boolean. Now we can take this equal, and let's say if answer equal to 50, then let's say forever, if answer equal to 50, then boolean time equal to, how to say 10, boolean time equal to 10. Let's try this. I never write 50. I say 50. Could you move? Yes, you can. Okay, that's how you use another way. And let's do this. Up arrow. Let's see. W. Down arrow. S. Left arrow. A. And right arrow. D. Now we have that. Write 50. You write 50. Then you can do this and here. Then here. It works everywhere. It works correctly. This means that not null equal to 10. This boolean time is equal to 10. That it says that, I think. Okay. And let's say this is y10. Okay. No, this doesn't work. Sorry, x10. No, this is 0. Okay. This is y10. What is that? It's nothing. Let's say y100. We say 50. That's easy. And then it works. Then we can see this and this and yeah, this is how you use booleans. And that here label, it's useless. It just makes you name one more time. Okay, so yeah. Now let's just make this come front one layer here. Could you guys give me 1 second? Thank you. Okay, my twin sister showed me something she made. That's it. Now, okay, now just we say go forward. Let's say 99 layers. Here we write 50. Yeah, it works. Yes, it also works. This overlapping. Okay, now let's say this chick is not called chick. It's called boolean usage. You can also name this anything you like. I'm just making a tutorial. So yeah, this is how to use inputs and this is how to use booleans. They both are same. This has more blocks, and if you want lesser blocks, this has lesser blocks if you don't have these. Okay, then yeah, this is a small video since other videos are very big, like 30 or 40 minutes. Now bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video and hope you learned something. Bye guys.